Hello guys, welcome back to Lola's Kitchen. If this is your first time, welcome. Well, before we get started, one thing please, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit your ring bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And anyways, today I'll be sharing my pancake recipe. Like, I love pancakes so much. I think it's like actually my favorite breakfast brunch kind of thing. I don't think I will go a month without making pancake like 2 times. And so far, this is my best recipe. So guys, if you want to make that ploppy, soft, pancake, this is the way to go. So let's get started, guys. Let's see what we need to make this ploppy, yummy pancakes. And here is everything we need for the most part. The only thing that is missing is sugar, but eventually I will show you guys. Sorry, I forgot to add some here. But that is 1.5 cups of flour I have. And then we're gonna need some butter. So I love using this stick butter. Oh my god, I always have some in my fridge, like always, because you see how easy it is, and they have all like each teaspoon. I love that. So I'm only going to cut 2 teaspoons from there. See, that's so easy. It makes your life really easy. And I love that. Anything that will make my life easy and simple. So I'm just going to put some in the container, and then I'm going to throw it in the microwave. And that is my milk. I think I have like 1.5 cup of milk in there, and then 1 egg. There we go. And then now my butter is well melted. I put it for 25 seconds. And there we go. And then I'm going to use my whisk to make sure it's well beaten. I did this for like few seconds because you really have to make sure the egg and the butter is well blended in there. That is really important, and that's why we anyways melted the butter, because you can use it with the butter like that. And that is baking powder. I'm going to add some. If you want to, you can totally use baking soda, but don't just use baking soda only. Try to add like 1 teaspoon of baking soda and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. But for me, I like to use baking powder, so I just added 2 teaspoons in there. And then I'm gonna add some salt, and then of course you really need salt, so please just half teaspoon. It's funny how it just half teaspoon, but if you don't add it, it will taste funny. And then that is some sugar that I forget to show you guys from the beginning. I added like about 4 teaspoons, as you can see. And then pretty much that's all we need to add in there. And then so I'm just going to mix it a little bit. That way I make sure everything, like the baking powder and then some of the salt and sugar I added, is well mixed. So I did that for really 1 second also, and then there we go. So as you can see, I only add a little bit. I added like half cup in there, and then I'm just mixing it and just taking my time gently. Anyways, it's pancake, so you don't have to rush or anything. Really take your time, mix it really well, but don't mix it too much at the same time. But yeah, take your time. Don't even worry. Even if you see those tiny balls, don't worry. It's pancake. It doesn't matter. Eventually, you will see it become really smooth. So I did this for like how many? Maybe like 3 to 4 minutes. And you see, there we go. Now it's really smooth and it's look really nice. So I'm using the knife just to make sure, like on the side, the dry flour is not in there. You can use spoon if you want to, but I hate having too much stuff after I finish cooking that I have to wash. So that's why I'm using the same knife. So you can totally use, spoon or something else, anything you feel like it. And now I'm just going to mix it again, just a little bit more, and then pretty much, our batter is ready. So now the frying part. See, that is so easy, right? Making pancakes is really easy. See, the same butter. Again, that's another reason why I love using the stick butter, because it's just easy to, put it in the frying pan. And I'm using non-stick. And guys, I just want to show you guys the consistency of the butter. Look at that, you see? And yours should look like that too if you use everything like I did. And then I'm just going to put some in there. You can make it bigger. If you're going to make your pancake bigger, then you just add more of the butter. And then pretty much that's how I want mine to be. And then I'll go ahead and use something to just cover it. And you only need to fry it for like 1 minute. Then 1 minute later, look at that. That golden brown, just how I like it. I like my pancake to look like that. If you don't want to, you can just don't let it, stay for like 1 minute, just like few seconds. You should be good to go. And yeah, guys, it's really soft. If I push it harder, it's gonna break. And yeah, guys, it's very floppy. And let's try one more time together. Look at that. And then this one, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, just because I feel like it. So yeah, this one is a little bit more, I think. They look about the same. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyways, again, I left it for like 1 minute. Please, if you don't want your pancake to look like that, like really, really gold, make sure then you turn it right away. But I really like to see my pancake just like this, guys. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to have a bite. It smells really good. And yeah, as you can see how it's getting bigger, how it's getting ploppier. Oh my god. Yeah, I feel like I make the best pancakes. Just saying. Because, that's my favorite brunch. And then, anyways, now time to cut some fruits. So I already just cut the strawberries. I cut them first because, I like to cut the bananas right when we're about to start eating. Because you know how bananas, they look really ugly. So here we go. I'm just going to cut the bananas. I can't believe I just said banana looks ugly sometimes. Yeah, they just look like really, they look so dark. And sometimes when you see them, you're like, do I want to eat really? I don't know. So anyways, I'm just going to cut some. Sorry guys, I feel like I sound like I'm sick or something. And I'm really not even sick. But I don't know why I sound like I'm sick. Maybe I'm losing my voice or something. It's not COVID, inshallah. No. Anyways, now that I just finished cutting the bananas, I'm just putting some just to make it look nice, make it look pretty, you know what I mean? That is my husband's plate. I always use plate when I'm taking a video, just because I always make his plate look nicer, and it's just nice. So guys, and I just finished making that whipped cream. So if you want to see how I make my whipped cream, guys, just comment down below, let me know so I can make it for you guys, so you guys can see how I make it. As you can see, it's nice. Yeah, it's not like one of those restaurant like right when you start eating, they're already like really melted. You're like, what? No, mine are really nice. So if you want to see how I make it, just comment, and I will definitely, maybe that can even be the next video if I see that a lot of people really want me to make it. Yeah guys, and pancake is ready. The husband is working on it. Look at that. Like I said, so we love to eat our pancake with syrup, and then some caramel syrup also, and then once in a while I'll also add condensed milk. Once in a while, I don't really do it, but sometimes I just put it on the side. If any of us want to, we just put some in there. Alright guys, I hope you guys will try my pancake recipe. And again, please, if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with family and friends. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you.